Hey guys, Jessica here again. Handling a garage can be tough, but not when you've got Sinca by your side. Let's say a customer walks in for an engine oil change. First things first, let's add the stock. From the left sidebar, go to Stock and click on New Inventory, or simply use the Quick Add button from the top right and choose New Purchase, whichever works best for you. This is the Quick Add screen where you can enter stock details. But if you want more control, just click the plus icon to open the detailed item master form. Let's type engine oil as the item name. Change the base unit to liter, enter the buying price as 25 and selling price as 35. Hit save now. Let's change the quantity to 10. If everything looks good in the preview, go ahead and click Add. On the bottom right, click on Payment button, and from the Payment section, either choose an existing supplier or add a new one. I'll just pick an existing one for now. You can also choose a payment method and last hit Save. Next, let's add a service. And remember, you only need to do this once. Head back, choose Services from the left sidebar, and click Add Services. Now click the Add button on the right. Let's type Engine Oil Change as the service name. Still typing. Next, let's enter 500 as the labor charge and hit Save. Click on Search, and there you go. It's added. That's how easily you can add stock and services in Sinca. Up next, I'll show you how to create a job card. Stay tuned.